Welcome to Wallow Cam Moments, August 2025. August has been mostly dry and fairly warm. The dry period is putting trees and shrubs under increasing stress. They are shedding their leaves early, giving the impression of an early autumn. A good crop of blackberries are showing early too. There have been plenty of young ones at the Wallow Cam, and a polecat ferret has also put in an appearance. So, instead of me gibbering on, let's get straight to it. This is a good opportunity to show the difference in size between song thrush and blackbird. Blue tit helicoptering in on a male blackcap. Young Bob sharing a perch with a male blackcap. Bob, drinking alongside a female blackcap. Here is a chiffchaff and a blue tit hanging out. Now there is a chiffchaff, the money changer, with Jenny Wren and Bob. Blackbird with an indecisive young chiffchaff. Now we have a male blackcap with a juvenile saying hi to a great tit. Oh dear, great tit is unsettling the indecisive young chiffchaff. Blue tit and young whitethroat sharing a moment at the pool. Blue tit and willow warbler practicing their harrier jump jet impressions. Time for a male and young blackcap, willow warbler and blue tit to spook each other. Integration is short-lived. Our resident birds must prepare for a temperate climate's cold winter, with short days allowing only moderate feeding opportunities for them to heat their borders and keep warm during the long, cold and sometimes freezing nights. Our African visitors must prepare for a long, perilous journey south to reach their warmer winter destination. August allows them to practice feeding for themselves, their flying skills, and learn how to integrate with their environment. The jay is a beautiful bird and probably responsible for planting more oak trees than anything or anyone else. The male pheasant's tail feathers are slowly coming back after the molt. The parrots are always busy. Parrotae is the scientific family name for the group of birds that include tits, titmice and chickadees. Butterflies like to catch the rays too, like this common butterfly. It's been a great year for butterflies at Larsen Oasis, and we will do a separate update. And here is a small white butterfly fluttering on through. badger and searching out any wasp or bee nests. Here is the feral cat meandering through. This cat is spending more and more time here as they get older. They can often be found either sleeping on the straw bale in the barn or under an oak on a warm day. As you know, we are not a fan of cats. Their numbers are kept artificially high and unfair to wildlife. But that's more to do with the domestic, not feral. A feral population is not ideal for wildlife, but it's not their fault. Ferals exist for one reason only: us. They have to rely on themselves to survive, and with them we follow the line of live and let live. This polecat ferret is following the badger's route. Yes, that is yours. And here is dinner. Only kidding. Smile please, you're on candid camera.